ma'am. What is your full name? What level or subjects do you teach? And from what school are you?
So, hi, I am Maria Luisa Eteres and I'm a faculty member of the Department of Computer Science at Ateneo de Naga University. I mainly teach programming for first year and second year students. I also teach computer architecture and organization, and right now, for the semester, I'm currently also teaching web systems. And I guess for this video, I will be reviewing, I'll be reviewing their game called Oplan Baklas Balakid. So can you guys tell me something about this game first?
So this game is inspired by sa clearing operations na ginagawa ng MMDA through Gabriel Go. Bali, ang main goal ng player is to clear the obstructions and yung mga side walk violators po.
I'm assuming I get to start the game by pressing start. And what are the mechanics? Am I going to use
The
WASD?
WASD po for the controls. And
Oh,
then,
wow!
agad nang nakita ka pong ganyan, you press it to interact with the object. And then, you have to choose if you let
How do I let go?
or bibigyan po ng
Ano
ticket
ba,
for
tama
the
ba yung
violator.
parking niya? Parang dapat to sa mga marunong sa parking.
Yes.
Nasa ano po kasi siya nag-park sa crossing.
Ah, okay. Oo nga, tama. So, mainly I'll be exploring the vicinity.
Yes. You can also press shift for to run.
You can also use the mouse.
Wow, I like the visuals. Oh, I can even jump. Not all games has this. Ayan, meron na naman. Hala, ticket. So, mag-check ako ng mga ano. Ayan oh, grabe, ang galing naman ng party. Parang Ateneo lang. So, in this game, di ba, the goal is to get 5 violators. Nakaset ba siya as, 5 lang yung cars? Or more than 5?
More than 5.
Okay, so that's good. Kasi there are times na, for example, the user don't know kung saan pa titingin. So, if, for example, 5 lang talaga yung cars na nandito sa game nyo, they might find it hard to complete even the simplest task given. And also, I cannot see kung nakailan na ako. Is there...
Yun nga po,
wala
I'm
pa.
currently working on that kasi
okay.
nahirapan po sa scripts.
I have 4. 4 na ba yun? Nabigyan ko ng...
Yes, po 4.
Ayan, ito, lock pa.
Yan.
Map lock. Sige, let me find one more. Ayun, dito. Sino hindi ay, ang galing. Yan.
And 5. All that. Okay.
Ay, tapos na? Paano na? Ay, ito pa. Dito maayos. Paano malalaman na okay na? Okay na ba? Nakaano na ako 5?
Po, kapag naayos na po namin yung scripts, dapat po parang may congratulations at the end for the demo po. Pero since nahirapan po ako sa scripting nung na parang nag-update dapat, wala po muna for now.
And for now po, ma'am, ang mga available lang pong violators ay yung sa parking lang.
Parking.
In the future po, we plan to add more. Katulad po ng mga vendors na nasa side ng street, as well as yung mga nag-extend po ng bahay nila
Occupy yung
na-occupy na yung site po. Para to simulate talaga yung real life nila sa urban landscape.
And also may naisip pa ba kayong ibang task na ibibigay? Bukod sa right now you have two options to let them go or to give them a ticket. So ano, maybe you could add
Yes po.
more objectives na related pa din of course sa pag-clear ng obstructions in traffic.
Siguro po, parang time bound na may magpa-call na magre-report tapos dapat in a, parang, kunyari, in 10 seconds, dapat mapuntahan mo na siya or mawawala siya.
And also maybe give your users a bit of a challenge. For example, akala nila mali yung parking, tapos binigyan nila ng ticket. Tapos di naman pala mali yung parking, tama pala. So dapat merong parang some sort of penalty sa player na pag syempre mali yung pagbigay ng ticket. Na tama naman yung pag-park niya pero nabigyan siya ng ticket. Maybe a system for that. Right now, ang ganda naman ng Dinesign niyo ba ito? Kaya ba nag-design ito? Or siya, free?
Pre-made po siya. Pero po, yung mga itadagdag namin other valuable tools, kami na po ang gagawa ng atin. Currently po, may nagawa na si Ash. Pero di po namin na-add. Yung tricycles and mga vendors po, may assets na po kami for that. Hindi na po na-add.
I think it's good. Hindi din, the movement is smooth. Hindi siya, clunky. And also, you're able to do naman na successfully interacting with objects in your game. Although wala lang nung parang siguro effects, no? Wala lang siguro sa effects and also with napansin ko, yun nga, ay hindi ko alam na kailan na pala akong cars. Pero right now, okay naman, ang ganda din ng logo na din kayo. Game logo na. What else? So, syempre, police lang naman kayo. Do you plan to make a bigger map?
Yes po.
Do you plan to have other map levels? Maybe level 1 nasa house, level 2 nasa Ateneo Avenue.
Ano po,
Yan.
ano po sana is tutorial po is dun sa Ateneo Avenue. Tapos kapag natapos niyo na po yung tutorial, dun na po siya sa may Porta Maria.
Parang, yung map po inspired po sa real places here in Nagasaki.
Oo, make it local.
Opo, para mas familiar po yung mga
For now po, for the purpose of demonstration map, yan lang po muna yung ginawa namin map.
Siguro add din kayo na instructions. Like, let's say, yung maglalaro nito, walang alam sa traffic rules. Like, hindi ko masyadong alam, okay, yung mga traffic rules that we have here in the Philippines. So, maybe make a page in your game, a button or a form na the users can see. Para siyang, anong tawag na sa mga games? Para siyang handbook, ayan. Handbook ng traffic rules. So, paano mo makakatag, how will you give this person a ticket kapag ginawa niya tong certain action, kapag di ginawa siyang actions with the handbook, ganyan. Yeah, that's a good element to add in your game. Parang sa if you are familiar with the game Papers, Please, may handbook doon.
Yes.
O, diba? Yan, ganon. May reference agad kayo. Inspo. To make something like that. Tapos, I think it was mentioned na you plan to add more obstructions other than parking. Sige. What else?
Sa UI po, ma'am, kamusta po ang
Actually, the UI is good. It's not that complicated to read. Hindi ako nahirapan na i-navigate yung mga movements. Especially na I have basic understanding of how gaming works. So, I just use WASD for movements. Maybe, ayan, then arrow keys then they were pretty well. Tapos I can also jump to the space bar. Maybe if choice niya lang naman, if option niya lang naman, you could add an option in your game where the user can edit their movements. Kasi some players, they prefer to edit. Like, for example, may mga players na gusto ang jump button nasa shift. May ibang players ang gusto yung walk nasa caps. Ganyan. Pero ano lang naman yan, parang hindi naman siya ganun ka-important na pag-detect that. Parang minimal, feature in your game where the users can, or your players can do that. And also, very clear naman yung objective. So, nandito agad siya sa gilid. Wala naman, hindi naman siya nakatago within the game. So, I can easily see kung ano yung kailangan kong gawin when I click start at the very beginning. But yun nga lang, nakulangan dun sa number. Yung sa pag-track ng progress. Ayan. Kasi, important kasi yun in a game so that also your user can know kung how far they are in already with completing a certain objective in your game. And for the logo, maganda din naman. So, I can see na you follow a theme in your game. So, hindi siya iba-ibang theme. Uniform yung paggamit nyo ng colors, blue, yellow, and white. And also yung UI ng objective nyo, hindi siya yung how should I say this? I can easily see na yung UI na to, yan, mayroong pin. So, naiintindihan ko as a player na ito yung kailangan kong gawin. But also, maybe change quota to objective.
Okay.
Oo. Mas maganda siguro na objective yung nakalagay. Tapos yung quota siguro na term. Doon na sa pag-track ng progress ng user, ng player.
Okay po. Before po we end the demo, we would like to ask for your rating of our game po. 1 being the lowest or the poorest, and 20 being the most excellent.
1 to 20? Wow, ang dami na. Siguro I'll give it a 19. Kasi yung 1, kasi wala yung progress tracking. That's, I think, one of the main feature that you should put in your game. Especially if it's an objective-based game. So maybe if you're able to add the progress tracking feature in your game, then it's a 20 already for me. Kasi hindi naman siya complicated. And also, the objective of your game is relevant also in our community.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Good job, guys. Wala?
Bigyan ng jacket.
Ay, di.
Ipapot lang ako talaga yung maganda.
Okay. Ano siya? Ay, wag meron guys. Yay! Ano kaya to? Thank you, guys.
Isang pack ng cards.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Malungkot pa naman ako today. Sige, okay.